Hello everyone, it's me, Erica. I am going to be doing an unboxing of my goodie box. I've already got all the information together. For anything I don't give you prices for, it'll be down in the description box with the links to the websites. So, if you don't know, Goodie Box is a monthly thing. You are active on their website, their Facebook, their Twitter. They will say, congratulations, you get a goodie box. And I was active enough to get a goodie box this month. So, let's see what we got. Okay, first thing is some Himalayan, do not eat. And it is Loaf Slime and Lavender. There is a card in here. I've seen it the other day, but what it is, you open it up. Oh, it really is slime. See, it's like, and it smells like lavender, so it's probably very relaxing. Okay. It's probably fun to play with, but it's, make sure you don't eat it if you get it, if you buy it, and you could get it on Etsy at their shop, and I believe it's $5, and they have all kinds of different flavors, scents, because it says do not eat, scents. Okay. And the next thing, yeah, aromatherapy dough. See if you can read all that. Maybe pause it so you can read it all. Okay. The next thing is Himalayan pink salt from Foods Alive. There's the nutritional value. You can hear my son in the background. He's having an issue. No, sodium is 388 milligrams per 1/6 of a teaspoon, so 1 gram. And there's 56 servings in this bag. And I looked at it. I think it's like $6.99 for 14 ounces. Don't quote me. It'll be down in the description box. Okay. Ooh, some cinnamon snaps. 3 or 4 cookies is a serving size. Sodium is 50. Sugars or carbohydrates are 17. It looks pretty healthy. Calories 140. 140 calories per 4 cookies, basically. Which we all know cookies are a little bit high. Let's see. Oh, it's not open. I'm not going to open it. I'll let y'all know. I'll leave a comment below that lets you know how they are. Because it's almost time for lunch. I'm not going to ruin my lunch. Okay. The next thing is, I love this thing because my son only drinks milk and eats crackers. Because if you've watched some of my other videos, he's autistic. He has a problem with textures. It's okay, baby. It has omega-3 plus protein, and it's vanilla, and it also comes in chocolate, and you can get it on Amazon. You could get a 12-pack for $23 or a case, I believe, for $33. I looked it up, and it will be in the description box. It's dairy-free flax milk, 10 grams of plant protein. So it's good for anybody who is vegetarian, vegan, and I'm hoping it'll be healthy for my son also, because anything to get him to start eating healthy any way I can. So he will be trying this out, and I'll let you know how it works. Okay, and these are cute. These are fruit emojis. So they're like the emojis, and they're fruit. Little gummies, I believe. My son won't eat these, but I guess let's get one out so I can show y'all. Let's see, what do we got here? Oh, it looks like pizza. That's cute. Let's see, is there one that's actually a smiley face? Oh, the poop emoji. They're really cute, and I think a case of them is, I have it right here, let me look. Fruit emojis are $9.99 for a case. You get 2 of them in here. Okay, Ghee butter. I've heard a lot of good things about this. This is the Madagascar vanilla bean, grass-fed, lactose-free. Only 45 calories. 1 teaspoon is a serving size. And it's by Fourth and Heart. It's their ghee butter. It's supposed to be very, very good for you. I'll let y'all know. Okay. Oh, and the ghee butter for, I don't know why I didn't do this for the other stuff. Madagascar vanilla bean 9 ounce will be $14.99 for the 9 ounce size jar. On, I believe that's Amazon. Nope, that's at their website, Fourth and Heart. Okay, the next thing is Raw Rev Organic Chunky Peanut Butter Chocolate. It's like a little protein bar, I guess. There is 200 calories in this, so it looks like it tastes good. We'll find out. Okay, and I got this before. It is, there's little coupons in here. Down There wipes. They have them for women and they have them for men. And they are, well, like they say, Down There wipes. And they sell them at Walmart. On Amazon, you could get them for $50 pieces for $5.69 on Amazon. But you can also just go down to Walmart and pick them up, I believe they told me. Okay. And the last thing in here is, everybody needs this right now since it is allergy season. It is gluten-free, sugar-free, dye-free. Relieves sneezing, runny nose, cough, itchy nose and throat, and watery eyes. Lasts up to 8 hours. It is called DayClear Allergy Relief. 1 dose in this bottle. See if we could get the glare off of it. And I believe this one is DayClear. I don't have the price, but I have the website will be down below. I didn't get the price off there. I think you could click their link on where to buy, and it'll take you to where to buy. I think it's available at Walgreens. I think I've seen. But it's a pretty good little box, and it comes with all these little... Okay, we're missing something because there's a little card here. Oh, look at that. We have Real Chemistry Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser for smooth, clear, clean, for a smooth, soft, clean start. And I did get this off their website, and their website says that it costs $24 for a full size. So we know this isn't the full size, but it's $24 for the full size. And like I said, that'll be down below in the links. Okay, so we do have, they always send little things that let you know about the products you're going to get. Like here's the one for the Good Karma. As long as you stay active on their website, comment, share things, and when you do get a box like this, make sure you leave reviews on everything you use. Because if you don't, what's the use in them sending them to you? Don't go on there and expect them to send you stuff and then not do any work for it. So, the fruit emojis. And this little slime thing, it does look interesting. And it's pretty cheap to go buy it. So that's not bad. And I've used those good wipes before. They have them in lavender scent also for women. And they work very well. They are really good in any time you may need them. Like, let's say you stick them in your purse and you're out and about. If you see a really bad toilet seat, you could also use them to clean those. So, there's always multiple uses for these things, and they're septic safe. And these other things, next time I have a video type haul, let's give it about a week or two, and then I will come back and I will do an update video on these to let y'all know how they worked out. I'm getting used to editing. I haven't started yet. I've been practicing. on other stuff. But I hope to see y'all in the next video, which will be sometime this week. I have 4 more videos to record today. And they are the 4 boxes I got from Target. They're all beauty boxes. So, hope to see you there. Thank you. Bye.